Hi everyone! This is Carla from Shopping Apps Tips PH at welcome sa aking YouTube channel. Our topic for today is how to apply virtual card in Seabank. If you are interested, keep on watching. Pumunta lamang po tayo sa ating Seabank app. And then, i-enter po natin ang ating 6-digit PIN. And i-click po natin ang cards dito sa right side. So, ang virtual card ay free lang siya. And then, meron din po siyang cashback every purchase. So, meron din pong frequently asked questions. Question number 1. What are physical and virtual cards? Ang sagot po ay virtual card is free for all Seabank users and can be used to pay for online purchases and subscriptions. Number 2, can I withdraw cash using my Seabank debit card? Ang sagot po ay cash withdrawals are not yet available. And last question, is there any application fee or annual fee charged to my Seabank debit card? Ang sagot po ay obtaining and using the virtual card is free and there are no annual fees. So, yon. Para makapag-apply tayo ng virtual card, i-click na po natin itong apply virtual card now. And name to be displayed, yung full name po natin. And yung fee ay free. So, yon, i-click na po natin itong confirm. And ilagay po natin ang ating password. So, ang nakalagay po dito ay successfully created virtual card. Congratulations! Your virtual card is ready to use. Make sure that you fund your Seabank account to enjoy secure payments and purchases online. So, yon, meron na daw po tayong virtual card. So, i-click na po natin itong done. So, ito po yung itsura ng ating debit card. Ayan. I-click po natin itong view detail. I-explore lang po natin kung anong meron. Okay. Ito pala siya. So, ito yung aking account iCard number. So, para talaga siyang card. So, yun. I-hide na po natin. And then, i-check naman po natin sa settings. Okay. Ito po yung nakalagay sa settings. Update card, daily limit. Replace or cancel card, view card fees, and lastly, help center. And then, pwede din pala siyang i-lock. So, wag nating i-lock card, baka ano pang mangyari. So, yon, meron na po tayong debit card sa Seabank. So, that's it. I hope meron po kayong natutunan sa video na ito. Kung meron, please share this video to your friends, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.